How you doing, guys? It's Montes 3D Creations, and I'm back at it again for another video. Today's obviously about Bender. If you guys have ever seen Futurama, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Bender is Bender. Bender is the best. He is the most potty-mouthed, foul-mouthed robot on TV, and he is funny. So I had to print him. So if you guys, hopefully you guys like Bender. He's coming out pretty good. Hopefully you guys can do me a quick favor, hit that like button, and of course subscribe, because it definitely helps the channel out, and it helps everybody get to see stuff like Bender. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and hit that like button. Smash it if you can.